Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a Canva clone PDF design tool with the fonts, uh, everything built in. So it's a Canva clone design tool where you can actually edit your PDF files or generate PDF files as well. So this is a single index.html file. Uh, it directly runs in the browser. There is no backend to it. So this is a single file. About almost 2200 lines of code is there. So you can directly purchase it. The link is given. After purchasing it, you will get the source code from Google Drive. And coming back to the application, in this Canva clone design tool, you first of all select the PDF file. After selecting that, the number of pages will show. And now you will be able to actually highlight, annotate anything. Simply using your mouse, go to the next page, do the same thing. So it will save you a lot of time. You can even add text as well. So simply select the location. You also have the capability to add images as well. So you can actually place it accordingly wherever you want to place it. You can even adjust the size as well. So also we have capability to hide something. Using this operator, you can hide the PDF text really easily, and then you can even take a note as well at any location. And after that, we have this button to export PDF. So after doing this, everything will be exported. As you can see, all the text, images, highlighting that you've done. You can even change the color of the highlighting as well really simply. So you can just see here, all the options are there. It's a fully fleshed Canva clone design tool or editor, which allows you to directly edit your PDF files. So it's a single page application. There is no backend to it. So you can directly purchase this source code. You can easily modify it and add additional features on top of this as well. So it's entirely built in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So apart from that, we also have options to add a blank page, duplicate page, or you can even delete pages as well. Simply select individually and delete the pages. So if you're interested, guys, the link is given in the description.